It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle.
Actually, I get up early in the morning, then I go washroom and get fresh. Next, I say my prayer. After that, I go outside for morning walk. Getting back home, I then have something food, what I get easily. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my homework. Completing it, I get ready to go to my school. Actually, in the evening, I usually visit around the town. Sometimes I try to play cricket. However, in the weekend, I make a tour. Before sunset, I get back home. Getting back home, I get fresh. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my homework. Completing it, I enjoy television along with my parents. Actually, at night, completing my homework, I enjoy television along with my parents. Next, we all of our family members have supper together. After that, I go to my personal room and join my personal job. Next, I go to my bed and that's all.